Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale and today I will be showing you how to make this bag. This bag you see on screen is one of the first project we make in the year 2019. So I want to show you how we're able to put that together. I'm not the one that put it together, I just supervised it. So you want to see how we work around that. This video is for you. If you're a first timer, never forget to click the subscribe button, and while you click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you can get the notification of our subsequent upload on this platform. So let's go and see how we want to be doing justice to that bag. like what I was saying, thank you so much for watching today's time. Yeah, making of this Ankara bag is quite easy. You can see the way all was just being assembled, put together by the lady in the workshop in there. It's so easy. You want to focus on that, there's a link in the description of this video which is going to navigate to where you can see a complete, fully illustrated, step-by-step, no step skipped of this course of this project and our website. The link is there. You go there, click it, and it's going to navigate you to our site. I'm Oyewale Sunday once again, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notification of our subsequent upload. Bye bye, and never stop learning.